I apologize that the words are kind of small on this problem, so I'm going to read it to you guys. It says, Marcia and Ted are planning to cover the floor of their bathroom with tiles. The bathroom is a rectangle measuring 6 feet wide by 8 feet long. Which model represents the multiplication fact Marcia and Ted need to use to find the area of the bathroom floor in square feet? So area, boys and girls, is the total amount. Well, in multiplication, we can say that the area of something, could also be the product of two factors. So these look like a bunch of arrays, and we're going to see which array equals 6 times 8. So let's count our rows in A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 rows, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 columns. Don't forget, an array is made of rows and columns. The equation for this, well, if you have 8 rows and 8 columns, would be 8 times 8. Is 8 times 8 equivalent or equal to 6 times 8? No. So we know it's not A. Let's check B. B says we have how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know the first factor in our equation is 5. How many columns do we have? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know the second number in our equation is 8. Is 5 times 8 equivalent to 6 times 8? No, so we know that B can't be the answer. Let's check C. Let's count how many rows we have in C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we know that the first factor in our equation will be 7 times our columns. How many columns do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is 7 times 8 equal to 6 times 8? No. So we know the answer can't be C. Well, boys and girls, that only leaves D. But since we're responsible mathematicians, we're going to try it. We're going to count them out. Let's count our rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, boys and girls, we have 6 rows. So we know our first factor is 6. Let's count our columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know the second factor will be 8. 6 times 8. Well, let's see. Our equation that we're trying to match is 6 times 8. Is 6 times 8 equal to 6 times 8? Yes. So if you chose D, you are correct.